Hi children, welcome to Pranu Planet. Today we will talk about things that are black in nature. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black, kala, kala. Blackboard, black hair. Camera, black umbrella. Blackberry, black pepper. Black pepper is the one of the common spice. Stone, black ant. Mouse, crow, bear, gorilla. Gorilla have black skin and black hair. Penguin. Penguin are the seabird which live only in the cold area. They eat fish and other seafood. We use lots of black things in daily use. In entertainment field and professional field. And he is a black panther, Bagheera. Bagheera is a functional character in Mowgli story in Jungle Book. Have fun. Like, share and subscribe my channel for next new video.